What's going on, family? Welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, of course, Anisha, and the video that I'll be doing a reaction to is a video that I really loved back in the day, still do. It's a throwback video, of course, and I'm sure this going to bring back whole heap of memories for enough away. So the video is Elephant Man, Pon De River, Pon De Bank. You don't know a cardio we are doing, cardio, you see me? So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video and let's do this. Play tune.
Yo, we got Elephant live in the studio, right? Yo, Ellie live in the studio with my first caller. Where's my first caller at? Hold on, the first caller. Line 2. Hello.
Bobby Condas, Jabba. Let me talk to the elephant, you know.
Shit, Ellie this, mad, thick.
She's a
good.
Elephant man, I want make them call it so.
Baby, it's a Jamaican thing, the girl them say the anaconda, you know, shit. Next caller.
Bomba Anaconda, who remember that song there?
Who that? Hello.
Ellie, keep rich, man. You need for coming and know my yo, the party lame. More fire!
Boy, Cookie Fridge. Boy, I wonder where do you know?
Fire!
Yo, me I come, see?
No, you gotta come now, dog. No.
You gotta come now, dog. Now. Thwanging.
Yep, good to go. I've seen enough dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've seen enough dance before, but I don't wanna come top the list. Alright, real bad man, no way people pan.
Yo, who remember when you used to go dance and a song? Hey, yo, when we used to go dancing, man, and this a song come on, everybody are dancing, man. People who come there with them, man, no member say they ain't come there with them, man. Who come with them, man, no member there, man. Everybody are dance. Play tune.
We take dancing to a higher rank. We spend pound and we spend franc. Shut up and new dance like Jamaica and Grand. Yeah, Pon De River.
Who ready for it? Who ready? Come. 1, 2, 3, dance.
Pon De Bank. Kick out the shoes because you put them no cramp. What you say in the river? Pon De Bank. Shut up and new dance like Jamaica and Grand. Yeah, down the flank. We a go down the flank. Like a baller, we go down the flank. You're cheap, pretty young, just in your tank. But the new dog, you know where people are cool. Give them a run, Chan. Give them a run. Give them a run.
Pause. Yo, listening to this song, it's just bringing back so many memories. High school, barbecue, fun day. Yo, play
tune. The girls that have fun, both. Give them a run. Give them a run. Give them a run. We and the girls that have fun. I've seen enough dance before. Yeah, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've seen enough dance before. Yeah, but I don't wanna come top the list. Alright, laba. Say my get old and can't bother. Yeah, when the music hit him drunk weed and grabber. Bust the dance from the river to the bank.
Pause. One thing I really did like about this video, when it came out, if you don't notice, it had that what am I gonna say now, early 2000 hip hop video quality production feel, and I guess at this time Elephant Man I try to broaden him thing and appeal to a wider international audience. I mean, I tell you, like, when that video went drop, man, it did lit me, I tell you straight. Play tune.
Nobody that and them a live together. Well, everybody ball out, say what a dream team. John Keeper and the dancehall queen. Up in the video, you have to bling and clean. Hot Mondays, everybody a groping. Fire links, take the dance and go show team. Yeah. When you say you love the dance, say what I mean. The dance, you lock down the housing scheme. Spanish town, Calalu, Betty Valley, and Papine. Miss Faye hear the song, dash where her dashing. Yeah. Said that you never dash, she have to intervene. Watch what she a dance till her booty lean. Who can do the dance? Look, I've seen enough dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. Yeah. I've seen enough dance before, but I don't wanna come top the list. Alright, Cockburn pen team up with Juice and Stacey and Kiva start shake and take on any girl we want come take on the gang and dance me.
Me I enjoy that song, yeah. More than turn up and dance, but me know I mash up the place, you see me. But me know say when I enjoy the thing, you see me. Play it out.
Unite and live as one. John and Bogle, I know me attack. Yeah. Lock me river bed now the sea part. Yeah. Bogle a wave tear the dance apart. John do the new dance about it in a half. Real bad man, now we people pants. We take dancing to a higher rank. We spend pound and we spend franc. Chan up and new dance like Jamaica and Bronx. Yo, Pon De River, Pon De Bank. Kick out the shoot because you put them no cramp. Why you say Pon De River, Pon De Bank? But the new dance, you know where people can. Yo, down the flank, we a go down the flank. Like a baller, we go down the flank. You cheap pretty young.
Hey, hey, I'm telling you something, people. You see, back in the days, when this song used to bust in the dance, remember, flames, called TV, you know, and we know. Play a tune.
Gas inna your tongue, John up a new dance about Jamaica and Bronx. Yo, give them a run, John, give them a run. Give them a run, me and the girls that have fun. Vocal, give them a run, Stacey, give them a run. Give them a run, me and keep a fun. I've been off dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've been off dance before, yeah, but I don't wanna come top the list. I've been off dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've been off dance before, but I don't wanna come top the list. I've been off dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've been
Yo, then dance movie bring back so much memory, and the quality of this video, yo. Let me tell you, when the video ain't dropping, man, everybody that anticipate that video, you know, man. Yo, come on, bro.
dance before, yeah, but I don't wanna come top the list. Yeah, 2003.
Come back, we
I'm
know
just
the
doing this
party,
for the
yo.
kids and me, yeah, and the friends all agree.
2003, I was in third form.
Keeping it green, doing the music for the fun. Elephant Man, dedicate this one to all the dancers and you know the dancehall music fraternity. We just keeping it bumping and letting the fans enjoy themselves. It's time to party. It's January going up to February, heading to December. Remember, Shizzle, Elephant Man, and bringing love in the music.
Dancehall fraternity, keeping it viggy.
Music and joy and splendor. Dance. Boom down my data, put on your dance. Links. Shizzle. It's a crazy time.
Yo, when the Elephant Man ready for twang, you know have a road here. Don't remember me tell you play it.
Yep.
Yo. Yo, me I tell you, say that song you bring back memory, me not lie, yo. Oh boy, barbecue, fun day, dance. Yo, so there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed having fun watching as much as I did doing the video. So like, comment, share, subscribe, you know. Hey, big up to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And not rich but fit, Javan, big up yourself, my youth. Thank you for sending over my subscribers. I'm almost at 100, so thank you guys again, and I hope you guys continue to support, you know, and let us build this thing. So like, comment, share, subscribe, join the team, make we build the thing, you see me. And once again, it's your girl Anisha, and I'm out.